What's up, chemistry? Today we're going to look at synthesis reactions. So what we have here is we have one thing plus another thing equals something else. In this case, they're just being directly combined. Hence the word synthesize from synthesis, the process of synthesizing or combining. It'll make more sense when we look at our example here. So we're going to have sodium plus nitrogen these are our products, or these are our reactants over here on this side. So we have sodium. Go to your periodic table, look at the charge of sodium. It's +1, it's in group 1. Nitrogen, group 5, -3. Again, remember our crisscross. Three goes to the sodium. 1 goes to the nitrogen. Our equation here is not balanced. We have 3 sodiums over here, but we have 1 over here, and we have 2 nitrogen over here. We have 1 over there. It's not balanced, so we have to make it balanced. 3 sodium over here, 1 sodium over there. We can change this sodium by putting a coefficient of 3 in front of it. So now we have 3 sodium. We have 2 nitrogen. We have 1 nitrogen. We cannot put any coefficient on just the nitrogen in here because this entire molecule here is stuck together. So you have to put a coefficient in front of the entire molecule. So let's put our 2 here, which means 6 sodium. We have our 2 of this entire molecule, but there's 3 sodium in one of these molecules. We have 2 of them, so that makes 6 sodium in total. We have 1 nitrogen times 2 is 2 nitrogens. So our nitrogens are actually done. We did our nitrogens, but let's check our sodium. We have 6 sodium over here. We have 3 over here. It's not balanced, our sodiums. So now we put our 6 over here to make 6 sodiums plus 2 nitrogen. 6 sodium, 2 nitrogen. We did it. Our equation over here is balanced. Now let's rewrite our chemical equation. Again, this is synthesis. So we had sodium, 6 sodium, plus 2, which is nitrogen gas. I actually am not putting the labels under here. Like generally you would write this as a gas, and because we know it's a gas. But just to simplify things, I'm not going to go put the states of matter underneath each of these. If you want to, you could, but in this case, it's not necessary for this lesson. So we have our 6 sodium plus our nitrogen. Again, this element is diatomic. Remember the Brinkelhoff? These are the list of all these elements which bond with each other. So hence, they always have a 2 subscript when alone. Okay, going back to our lesson here, we have our arrow, which is like our equal sign. And then we have 2 Na3, N. Our equation here is balanced. So when we read this, we have 6 sodium plus our diatomic nitrogen. We are going to yield 2 sodium nitride molecules. Okay? That's our lesson for today, and I hope you enjoyed it.